What are you doing? Jimmy Void, sit down talking truth. We're gonna have a little financial discussion right now. Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Okay. I just finished watching some of my videos. I was on the phone with Don Bricklayer for a little bit. We were talking about our positions, our strategies. Having a good conversation. And I've been watching my videos all morning, seeing what's going on with the crypto market. And right now, the crypto market's in the red. Okay. Everybody's worried. Oh my God, it's a bloodbath. I thought Bitcoin was gonna go up. Bitcoin is up. Okay, I hate to break the news to you. When I started my cryptocurrency research, okay, and I got involved with everything. If you look at the charts, they say zoom out. Okay, and in February of this year, I'm gonna go into the tripod right now. Okay, very uncomfortable. This is. I'm on my daughter's Peloton. I don't know how she does it. All right, trying to do this quick. If you zoom out and look at the charts from February from this year, I think Bitcoin was at like 29K. Luckily, that's when I got into it. Okay, so then it went up to 69K. Okay, about a month ago, and now it's back down to 50K. Okay, so if you really look at it, everybody's all worried that we're in the red. What's going on? We're gonna dip. We're gonna crash. Not really. Okay. I did a sit down last week, and I talked about my recommendations for getting into cryptocurrencies. Okay, I said everybody needs to do their research. Okay, there's so many different cryptocurrencies, there's so many different platforms, there's so many different ways to invest into cryptocurrencies. Okay, I think it's a good opportunity. All right, from my research, not financial advice. This is what I did. Okay, I'm just letting everybody know, and I'm gonna say I did it because there's a lot of things that affect finances. Okay, everything's intertwined. The government is corrupt. They're garbage. Okay, this administration is a train wreck. All right, everything that they're doing right now is affecting your dollar. Okay, printing money, holding down interest rates, suppressing inflation. Okay, it's affecting your family's financial future. Okay, and you need to make moves. If you think that this administration or the government is doing anything in your best interest, you got rocks in your head. Okay, you need to make moves on your own, and I think cryptocurrencies is a good way to hedge off the dollar. Okay, you got to do your research. That was my first recommendation. You got to do your research. You got to look at all the different options that are available out there to invest in cryptocurrencies. Just like you invest in mutual funds or the stock market or 401ks, okay? You don't have to put all your money into it, okay? That's what DCA is, okay? Dollar cost averaging, okay? You don't have to put all your money into it. Just some investments, whatever you could afford to invest, okay? Don't go invest in everything you got. You got to assess your risk tolerance. I always say that, and figure out where you can invest. You got to make your strategy. You got to write things down, okay? Do your research. Come up with some options with cryptocurrencies. Come up with a platform. Then come up with how you're going to invest into it with your money. Are you going to link your bank up to it? Are you going to do it with credit cards? Figure it out, okay? Do your research, right? Come up with your strategy. Short term, long term. What do I want to do? Do I want to be a trader? Do I want to hold my cryptocurrencies for 10 years? Then you don't even got to look at it, okay? That's part of the strategy, okay? Do I want to do a little bit now, a little bit later on? That's a strategy too, okay? It's all intertwined, okay? And then my last thing was DCA. That's what I said on my sit down last week. DCA, dollar cost average. You're buying increments at the bottom, at the top, and your purchase price is in the middle, okay? Another thing I'm going to mention right now, and this goes with what's happening today, okay? Everything's in the red. It's not really in the red. Look at the charts. Look back, okay? Look at the history. I don't specifically like charts. Some charts are good, some charts are bad, okay? I'm going to say things right now. I'm going to say terms that I don't think everybody's going to know right now, but I'm going to say support and resistance, okay? And we're in a range, a dollar amount where the cryptos are trading right now. Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin's the boss, okay? Ethereum is number 2. As far as I'm concerned, I only have 3 positions right now. And one of my positions is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a project in the Metaverse, okay? Metaverse is supposedly Internet 3.0, the digital world, the future, okay? It's in the beginning stages. These are things that in your research, I'm gonna do sit downs in the future, and I'm gonna talk more on it. And everybody needs to interact with me. Make some comments. What you want me to talk about? Because I know so much stuff. I don't know what to say right now. Okay, I'm just trying to give some basics to what I did. Okay, I have my strategy. I got a short-term strategy, long-term strategy. I have my positions in my cryptos. I had like 7 or 8 different cryptos, but I closed them out and consolidated into 3. Now I have 3. Okay, that's part of accumulation. Okay, I never cashed out, but when something was in the green, I took something from the green and I bought something in the red, or I converted into the red. That means I increased position on something that was still valued but less valuable at the time because it was in the red. The red is a buying opportunity. I believe that's part of my strategy. Okay, so then when the cryptocurrency I converted from goes back into the red, I buy back in at a less price and I increase position. And at the end, for my long term strategy, I'll have more shares of that specific crypto. Okay, that's just part of my strategy. Okay, do your research. It doesn't have to anything to do with any individual crypto. That's a strategy that I blanket to all of my cryptos. Okay, here's what I want to end with right now. I'm gonna try and close it out with just one more thing. Okay, adoption. Adoption. That is how a cryptocurrency grows, with adoption. Okay, I'm a construction guy. A regular blue collar guy. I'm not a big money guy. It's all simple math for me. Market cap. When you look at the market cap of a cryptocurrency, market cap increases very, very small amounts through retail investors, people like us, okay? Like people watching my video right now, all right? A very little bit, retail investors, okay? It's when you get the big money, the whales that make the market move, okay? And you can look at some of the charts to identify the big whales moving money between wallet to wallet and making purchases and sells on specific cryptos. That's all in with the research, okay? You got to learn it. You got to do your research. Very important, okay? As more people, as it gets more adopted, you get more investment into the market cap, into the specific crypto. Then the market cap increases. That's how you grow in value to each individual crypto, okay? When people talk about, they want to talk about excitement on a specific cryptocurrency, if it has nothing to do with the use case and it's a rumor, they say buy the rumor, sell the news, okay? When everybody's talking about something like Dogecoin, everybody was talking about it. Shiba Inu, everybody's talking about it. Well, a lot of retail investors, they invest into it. But if it doesn't have a serious use case or it doesn't have fundamentals to support it for the future, it's almost like a pyramid scheme, okay? I hate to say that, but that's what it is. And if somebody that's got big money invested wants to pull their money out before you do, they're going to leave you holding the bag. You're going to be at the end. You don't want to be at the end, okay? So you should make your moves. Look for your entries and your exits. I always say that too, okay? With your cryptos. You gotta research it. You gotta really be on top of everything, okay? That's why I don't have that many positions, because I don't have to watch that many things to enter and exit, okay? Market cap's very important, and adoption. That was what I wanted to bring up today, was adoption, okay? Adoption is when you get more people invested into it, and big money is what we're looking at right now. The whales, smart money is big money, okay? And when you see small money or big money going into the cryptocurrency, specifically investing into a specific crypto, then you know that that's going to increase the market cap, which is going to increase the value of that crypto, all right? Do me a favor. This is new to me, right? So I want to just give everybody all the information I can. I got a lot of stuff in my brain spinning around, So I want to get some comments. I want people to know, because I want to help everybody out. Not financial advice, but I'm going to give everybody the knowledge that I got, a little education on stuff, and help me out. Maybe somebody knows something that I don't know, and you can give me a comment, and it'll help me out, and I'll research something, and give me a question. you know, and if I know the answer, I'll answer right away. Somebody commented on one of my past sit downs about cryptocurrencies, and I knew the answer right away. And I said it. I'm not an accountant. I'm not a financial guy, you know, but I knew the answer and I answered it right away. I didn't even have to hesitate, you know. So I was kind of happy with that, and I'm hoping the person was happy with the answer, and it helps educate me because it lets me think more in my brain, and I do more research about something. So interact with me. Give me some comments. This is finances. We all need to increase generational wealth for our family's future, uh, financial freedom, you know. And the government's going to take what they take. There's nothing you can do about that. They're going to take their taxes and they're going to regulate things and they're going to impose their penalties and rules, you know. It's okay because that will increase adoption. Because as it gets regulated, big money is going to become more invested into cryptocurrencies, and that will increase the market cap. A small percentage of the trillions and trillions of dollars that go into cryptocurrencies in the future will increase market cap, and it will be exponential. All right. Jimmy Voigt, sit down, talking truth. This was a Bronx Bitcoin bull sit down. I hope everybody could understand what I'm talking about, and I hope they get some good input out of it and good content. And I want to keep doing them. And I got Don Bricklayer coming up. We're gonna have a Bronx Bitcoin bull sit down in Florida, and DJ Simply Nice, he's into cryptos as well. And I got a whole mess of guys in my crew. All right. So I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, and give me a like, give me a dislike, whatever you want to do for the algorithm. I don't care. But if you're watching my videos, you got to be subscribed. And if you're making my money, I better get a like, all right? Take care.